What's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Behind me, we have a luxury rear kitchen fifth wheel with one of the best bedroom bathroom combinations in the game. Today, we are touring the 2027 Luxe Gold 38 GFB. I think you guys are going to dig it. Drop some comments and let me know what you think. And one of the things I want to ask you is, do you want to see a tour of a Luxe truck? These are custom trucks that people buy to pull these because these are going to be a little bit heavier than most RVs out there. So it's pretty cool that you can combo it out there. They got their own little outfitter that does the darn thing. I don't know too much about them, but I'm sitting there and I'm salivating, baby. It looks beautiful. But like I said, 2027 Luxe Gold 38 GFB. It's absolutely fantastic. All the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in the description. But the nice thing about Luxe is you can kind of personalize them, I guess you could say. So if you want a different paint scheme, you can get a different paint scheme, whether you want some color or just different little swirls, interior, exterior, cabinetry you can adjust. All sorts of good stuff is coming out of Luxe. And I'm going to put a link for them. I'm also going to put a link for their construction and stuff like that, because they got 3-inch thick walls with graphite infused insulation. So a much upgraded build quality for you here. Now the cool thing about this, it's a pretty darn traditional rear living setup. So you got your entertaining and your cooking over here, and then you got your seating and eating right on over here. Table for 2 that pulls out for 4, so that way you can play some cards and do your thing there. You also get a little half bath, so porcelain foot flush throne right there. Also the thing that I like, high end all the way throughout. Even like the walls are going to be soft touch. That's going to help with sound deadening, insulation to pair up with that 3-inch thick wall. Seamless sink right there. And then of course you got a mirror for an old early bowling gun, baby. But I'll tell you, man, they are nice. I've recorded 4 different Luxe models today. So there's going to be about 1 Luxe per week coming out on my channel here. Absolutely fantastic. But like I was saying, kind of your cooking and whatnot over there. You got the real residential style refrigerator, and it's even got the fancy crushed ice. You can see it's bundled up, getting ready to get moved out, so I don't want to open it up. But you got your freezer section there, a partition here. And then what do you guys think about this sink? This is actually going to be a composite material with the dual split zone, so you can adjust it, whether you want stainless steel, it to be open. You can kind of, run the works with the high-rise faucet, hitting those dishes from all angles. It's also got the solid surface countertops. So babe, if you're watching, I love you. Right here is showing off that 4-camera safety system. Let me show you that real quick. So you can see both left, right, behind, and above the door as well. So it's pretty cool that it's got that. You're going to notice the vents are going to be coming out of the island here with the accent lighting. And then what do you guys think about the ceiling here? Now I need to turn on that ceiling fan light, but look at the blades. So those kind of extract out. So that's pretty darn cool. So we'll get that turned on here in just a little bit. But as you can see, you get plenty of drawer space here. And this has actually got a pretty tough little magnet on there. So let me go ahead and put the camera down here for a second. Boom. And now, you got room for, that's for your microwave. But man, dovetail construction, so real pinkies up stuff here, in the Luxe, real residential, 4 seasons for sure. So this is something that you could, live in if you want. A lot of people do. They travel around full time. But I love the accent lighting going all the way throughout. And you even have the old steamer stink sucker 3000 there up on the ceiling. Now, you're going to get, let's stick with the kitchen, I guess, for now. So like I was saying, on that microwave, bada bing, bada boom, you got adjustable shelves to the left of it, but it's going to be a convection microwave. You're also going to get storage here up above. It's all going to be on the soft close. The 4-top burner to whip up all the fixins. Did I show underneath here? Sorry, I'm going through it today, It's just one of those days that you're just going through it. Not in a bad way. Drove 4.5 hours, got up here, immediately started talking to myself for about 4 more hours. And I got a 4.5 hour drive home. So that's the kind of dedication that I got to bring you the best of the best. And 4 hours for 4 Luxes, or I guess 8 hours of driving. 9 hours of driving for 4 Luxes seemed worth it for me today. But look at that. You got the fireplace down there. But right here, you click this little button. Probably didn't hear it because the mic does a good job of blocking it off. But you got the Murphy pantry back here. So how nice is that to have just a little bit of secret storage? And then it closes and locks up. But hand-laid tiles back there too, which is nice. So as we come back here, what's a little bit different is the person who bought this ordered it with the recliners as opposed to a trifold sofa. So a little bit of a different setup. Drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Do you like the recliners back here? Because you do get a set of theater seating right over here with your 2 cup holders, you know, as well, which obviously you can push back and put it up into snuggle mode. And now you and Honey Buns are having a good time watching a movie directly across from the TV. So let's see if the control for the ceiling fan right there. So you turn that on. Look at that. I just think that is super cool. I should show you how that goes, but I don't know where that button is quite yet. Still learning the Luxes. Still learning the Luxes. Doing a factory tour here in a couple weeks, so stay tuned for that. Notice how you don't see any exposed AC. It's going to be on that Whisper Quiet AC system, but you get plenty of natural lighting. Emergency exit, pull, push, and plop. You can get out in a hurry. You got the half Dracula and the full Dracula to keep the old skin from sizzling. You know, keep those nosy eyes out. And then you got some of your knickknacks back there as well there for you. But I like how that storage is on an angle. And you got another one of those right here. Still soft touch back even on those back walls. And notice again, the soft close. So pretty darn cool. Now this table right here, like I was saying before, it does have the ability to pull out. So there's going to be a little latch right here that you push. And then you can pull it out and put an insert there. And you're good to go. Outlets on that side with storage on that side. You're also going to get pretty good head height here as well with about 6'8" or so for head clearance. Now, before we leave this area here, next to this half bath is going to be a pretty cool little mini pantry area. So, you know, I'd imagine you could put some dry foods in there, maybe some paper plates, you know, things of that nature. Maybe you got a little bourbon collection. Get it going there. Let me give you another little look here. Man, just pinkies up stuff. These Luxes. People that buy these Luxes, and they buy the trucks too. They buy them. They sell quite well. I'm not surprised. They're really nice. And if you're someone that wants to travel full time, get out on the countryside, you know, and you don't want to skimp on anything, this is definitely the brand for you. All your in-command control systems, so your slides, your lights, like right here on the lights, all these are going to be able to be dimmed as well. So you see the 100, you know, you can dim it down. But now let's head into the bedroom, and you got yourself, you know, a little action going on over there. You got a king-size bed with some lighting. You're also going to notice the window does open up. You got a cubby with overhead storage. Another little pull-out. You can control your lighting system right there again. Look at that. Nothing to complain about. Bunch of storage here up underneath as well. Emergency exit. So again, pull, push, and plop. A little bit more storage. Your smart TV. That's going to be on a swivel, so you can swivel. Now, you might be wondering, where is all the hanging room, Hunter? Where could it be? I don't know. Maybe it's lacking, or maybe it's got a huge closet up in the front. But first, there's more. You have your 2 sinks right there. Again, are going to be seamless. You got 3 mirrors for 3 guns with a 4th just for opportunity. And it's going to be directly across. The sinks are going to be directly across from your shower right there. So, you know, you open this thing up. I prefer it to go on over there as a bigger guy. And let me go ahead. First, let me show you this. So, shower head, boom. You have 6 ports where water sticks out, and you have a wand plus a teak seat. But let me show you this real quick, since I got a good countertop here. So I'm 6 foot, 320 pounds, like I said there. And you can see, one, I got the head height. You probably got about 6'4" here. But even with the teak seat, you can sit down. I'm going to give this a 1.6, I'm going to give it a 1.8 on the roundy rating scale. 2 roundies could definitely fit in here, but the head height here presents a little bit of a problem. So 2 flats for sure, 1.8 roundies, you are well taken care of. And I did forget to show you the storage here up underneath the sink. So one, you got 2 pull-out drawers. Again, notice the dovetail. You got your lighting or your outlet fixture right there with the tiles. And then underneath both sides, much like underneath the sink, you have your disconnects there too as well. If you're someone that likes to wash clothes, there is a place to wash clothes. And And then of course the sink. You see the pull-out drawers, the hanging rod, little cedar back storage over here. Just looks nice. It's all put together really well. A bunch of pull-out drawers that are pretty darn deep. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. That about wraps it up for the inside portion. Now I'm gonna head around the outside. Probably spend about 4 or 5 minutes or so there. But again, 2026 Luxe Gold 38 GFB. So here on the outside, just to reiterate, 3-inch thick walls, full body paint job, drop frame here, and they have a steel frame on this too, which goes into some of the weight on it, and that's going to come into play even with things like the baggage, having those thicker walls. They actually have real slam latch doors that have some real weight to them. Obviously here you got the slam latch, but I'll show you, or the strut system, so it's not going to slam down on you, but I'll show you what it's like with the propane here in just a moment. So you have your molded fiberglass front cap, the LEDs running up underneath. You're also going to have the Gen Y pin box on this, so really comfortable tow. Haven't towed with it yet, so I shouldn't have said really comfortable. I've heard really comfortable tow. I actually just got a whole system set up for my personal rig with the Gen Y, so I've heard good enough things from all the towing people that I know out there to know that that's got to be the best system, because the people that tow them for a living told me to purchase that. 4 batteries, you know, you got your hydraulics, you got your disconnects, everything you need there. 6-point hydraulic auto leveling, your 4-camera safety system that I showed you on the inside. This is going to be the side camera. Obviously on the other side there's going to be another one. Slam latch. Look how thick these doors are. Toy hauler type backing down here at the bottom. You can see your central road vac system. You got inverters, you know, your command system over there. But then look at this. So all of the electric work is going to be really nice and bound, as opposed to being a rat's nest there with your in-command system. Frameless awnings, and then you got not 1, but 2 awnings here on the exterior, and you have your Jensen exterior speakers as well, so really good sound quality there for you. The control for that is going to be right there next to some outlets. 500-pound weight capacity here on the steps, and you got the Continental tires here with a little extra in terms of like suspension and things of that nature. They are using the Solera 3000 series for the awnings, so that'll work for you know, your 12-volt and things of that nature. Exterior TV right there. And then as you come around the back, you have a rear cap with a rear ladder to get on top of your fully walkable roof. You know, check your seals, check your slides, make sure everything is on the up and up. And then of course, you know, your backup camera right there. But look how slick this back end is looking there for you. And even like this, see, this is something that's just kind of next level. You got areas, you know, for the old stinky slinkies, kind of built right on in, power cord reel. So again, they're just kind of thinking about the little stuff. They're covering the little stuff. And I'm a firm believer, if you do stuff like that, you're not ignoring the stuff that you don't see, that a lot of the industry has, you know, an issue with. But that's the back end there of that Luxe truck. Should I be touring this? Again, drop those comments and let me know. You got your Truma AquaGo system. Will be right here. So same one that's going on like those, you know, $800,000 Tiffins and, you know, things of that nature. And let me open this up here too to show you the docking station and the other side of that pass-through. So you got your pass-through right there with your inverter up on the wall. This is going to be your docking station, and you got hot and cold water in the form of an outside shower, your bypass valves, you know, your black tank flush, and then all of your pulls along with your high and low point drains. Another set of propane right there, and your control for your hydraulics. But all right, guys, nice and easy, baby. 2027 Luxe Gold 38 GFB. My name is Hunter. Have a great day. See you.